It's okay. It's okay. What did Garcia find out?
She broadened her search, but nothing that matches his description.
Somebody's got to be missing this kid.
No, hey, no. That's not for us. That's not for us. It's for the doctors outside. It's for the doctors, not for us.
It's all right. It's okay. It's not for us. There you go. Come on back. Here. Just take it. There you go. I got him to nod, but not much more than that.
And you asked him his name?
Yeah.
What about in Spanish?
Doesn't matter the language if he won't talk.
Mi nombre es Jennifer. ¿Cómo te llamas? What's your name, sweetheart? Can I see what you have there? Ah, do you like eagles? Yeah, the wings are beautiful, aren't they? Your back, wings on your back. Angel? Is your name Angel?